Hi, today I want to speak to you about cucumber health tips. Yes, I actually have two different kind of cucumbers in here, and they're having trouble with whiteflies, aphids, and starting to get a little bit of mold. There's reasons for that. So let's deal with it, but before we do that, we need to get to them. This is my kiddie pool system, and it is bottom fed through a float that puts about maybe 1.5 inches of water in the bottom. So everything is fed from the bottom into the grow bags. First thing we need to do is to get to those cucumbers. So let's move some things around. I have some peppers that have to come out. Isn't it great you could just uproot your plants this way? There we go. One more pepper here. There. Now I have corn on the cob right here. Let's move him out. Whoa. Well, look at that, huh? Whoa. Now you can see I have two different kind of cucumbers, and I have peas in the middle. So part of the problem that we have is that the cucumbers don't have enough sunlight, not enough circulation. They've been kind of blocked in. The peas have already gone through their cycle. I've gotten all the peas from them, so I'm going to get rid of those by pulling them out. Let's see. Quite a mess already here. Okay, so I've yanked the peas out. I'm going to leave the 3-gallon grow bag right here because it has these poles for my trellis in the dirt, and I don't want to have to rebuild it all. So that's cleared it up. Now look at all that. You can see all the flowers and everything. Now you're seeing all the white, the mold, and there's little white flies all over here. So what I've done is I've created a solution. This here I mixed 1 cup of 70% alcohol that you get at the stores there, you know, for boo-boos and everything. So I mixed 1 cup of alcohol, 3 cups of water, and a couple drops of dish liquid. Mix it all up good. See that, the dish liquid? Then you just go up to the plant and spray it. It should kill the insects on contact. Oops, that guy's running. It's funny, as you spray you can see him running, and if you look close enough you can see him staggering. Must be the alcohol. Okay, so at least they're gonna die with a smile on their face. Try to get under the leaves too. So the key is to open it up to be able to get airflow going through. I already have that. There's a lot more airflow now. And don't be afraid to trim off all the dead leaves. You can see how they're kind of getting pretty messed up, some of the leaves. And I don't know if you can, most of the bugs are on the bottom here. But a lot of them have run away already. So that's pretty much it. But see how well they're growing? Look at all the roots here in the bottom. Quite a really good root system. I want to make sure you can see that. Can you see that great root system over there and over there? So the roots are growing right out and they're doing quite well. So there we go. I'll put the rest of the plants back. You'll have more room because there's no peas coming out the middle. They're going to have sunlight, more airflow, and we've taken out the bugs at the source. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.